What is up, YouTube? I got my bike back. It's Matt Prout here again. We're gonna go on a little POV ride on the CBR 500 today. Got a big storm coming, so it's gonna be a short ride real quick. Just put back on my wrecked exhaust, so I want to see if that holds up. Got it on there pretty tight. Got my plate on, got my new plate. All ready to go, so let's rock and roll. Let me put my phone up. Heck yeah. I took her out yesterday. She's got some bugs and everything on her. But let's take her on a spin before this rain comes. It looks like a big storm coming. So let's go. It's like 50 degrees. Oh yeah, she's back in business, boys. Stop at the stop sign because I'm a law-abiding citizen. Almost stalled her. Didn't though. Oh yeah, look at that storm coming. Those clouds look gnarly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I missed it so much. It's so much fun. Well guys, just want to let you guys know I got a lot more videos coming. Looks like the storm's going to be rolling in. Do a little test drive on the bike, getting her all back, but I'll definitely have a lot more POVs coming back, a lot more different type of videos too. I got some buddies with some bikes, and definitely gonna have some cool bike videos coming up. Today's just kind of a poopy day, so probably go ahead and cut this video short right here, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again.